Hey guys, Ian here with my Freesky Ranger. I'm going to show you how to turn on that USB-C port that's on the display. Let's go. I'm just going to take my card, turn on the e-bike, and then I'm going to press and hold the headlight. Now when I do that, you'll see a little icon pop up over here. That's the little USB-C link icon. And basically, there's a little plug on the side. You see my charger cable going there. I've got it wrapped around just to take all the extra slack out. And then for my phone, I just pop it in, boom, right there. So let's get to it. We're gonna press and hold the headlight button. Boom. You are charging, of course, if there was something there to charge. Anyways, hope you found this interesting. Hope it helped you. If it did, be sure to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.